I fell in love with this mirror the moment I saw it. Well, it had its flaws, but its potential was enormous. I started by removing the old wire support and the back. And this is when I realized I shouldn't try to remove the mirror from the frame, as it was held in place by countless nails and I would risk to break it. So beautiful. I also fell in love at first sight with the new decoupage fiber, the Velvet Nest from Redesign with Prima, and here I tried to figure out the best way to frame it. So I started by branding the back of the mirror with an abrasive product and a very fine grit sandpaper. It was time consuming, but I did it. Time to clean off all the residues from the abrasive products I used and to dry the coat of white paint I had previously applied to serve as a base for the decoupage fiber. I removed all the creases with a small steamer and tested the placement of the fiber so I could trim the excess later. Now it's time to glue and smooth the glued surface. I replace the back of the mirror and move on to one of my favorite parts, applying decorative waxes. I used several colors from Redesign with Prima, from burgundy, blue, emerald green to gold. And finally, the difficult task of choosing the exact tone of the bow that would add a special touch to the mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, is there anyone more beautiful than me? This is the question that this mirror will surely ask to the enchanted bird reflected within, invoking nature and of course love, imposing, vibrant yet classic and with an ancient soul from the old refined and delicate ages.